Well, that's another shift done, and again it's another beautiful day. It's been like this all week here in Edinburgh, but I think this is the last day of it, and it's supposed to turn. I'm off at the weekend, so it's guaranteed to pish down. That's the sort of luck I've got. So the last few nights commuting home, it's been absolutely manic. It wasn't too bad last night actually. So hopefully it's a bit better tonight. But at the start of the week, the motorway, it was absolutely gridlocked. A motorway gridlocked, can you believe it? So hopefully, like I say, hopefully tonight's going to be better. So I need to make a quick fuel stop on the way home, just so I've got enough fuel for tomorrow. Look at this. Unreal. This is what it's like all the time. Absolute riot. I think I'm going to struggle when I've got to start using the car again. Because for the last few months I've really had it easy with the bike. It's fairly rattled the mileage on it right enough, but just taking the bike to work is so much better. Much quicker. You can cut through all the traffic. But it doesn't help with the council shutting all roads down, narrowing them up, buggering about the traffic light sequences or on the timings on the lights so that it holds you on red. All that certainly doesn't help. But they're doing it deliberately, aren't they? They're doing it to cause as much congestion as possible. So I'm going to get fuel from Esso. I like that petrol station because I get nectar points. And my last fill up there just a couple of days ago with the GSX. That's a good place to stop. I got 10 times extra points. And points make prizes. 136.9 today. I think the cheapest I've seen it in Edinburgh is 134, and that's at Sainsbury's. I get nectar points there as well, but I do prefer Esso. This is so much easier, you know that. Right, that's us ready to go. Don't even need to get off the bike, but getting off your bike in Edinburgh is not advisable. 155.9 for super duper. 10 litres that'll do. We're just over. Look at these dafties standing in the middle of the road. Honest to God, man. thick as fuck. And they're waiting on a fucking bus. God help us. Right, why we slowed down? Obviously Mr. White Van Man's too busy checking his Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. This is rammed again. I'll not be fitting through that gap. Get in front of this coach. Fuck knows what he was fucking about with. Honest to fucking God. Thinking, yeah. Another coach. No, just you wait there, coach. Honest to God, man. Looks like it's going to be rammed again tonight. Wee feet down job there, that was just a little too tight. T-Rock seen me. Thank you, T-Rock. Kia seen me. Thank you, Kia. Don't know what he's playing at. Honestly, I'm dreading taking the car to work in the winter when it's all wet and snowy and having to sit in this shite. Really can't be doing with it. Come on, focus features, move over there. Cheers, Golfio. A bit rutted here. Still not got tyres for this, I need to get new tyres. I really must make an effort to do that on my next day off. I'm going to go for road 6s, Michelin. I time this nicely, I shouldn't need to stop. And I haven't timed it nicely. But I've got to the front. That's what counts. If the road was nice and empty like this all the time, it would be great. But just wait till we get up here. At the end of this road, it'll go to pot again. Watch. Or I could be wrong because it isn't queued up. Normally this is queued right back, so I could be lucky today. I could be lucky. Then again I might not be lucky. I'm not lucky. I probably could get through there, but no more luck. When I start squeezing through there, the lights will change. Yeah, it's a bit windy. A wee bit blowy on the motorway. Well, that made light work of that, didn't it? Well, that'll be that. A nice quick dash home. I mean, the beauty of the bike, you can cut through all that crap. But you just need to be that little bit more observant, especially when filtering on the motorway. But we survived, we got there. What the hell's going on here? Anyway guys, I think I'll just wrap this one up here. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. And that's another fucking tractor ahead. I don't believe it. Twice in one day. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Fucking tractors, hello.